Hi guys, let me show you how to edit 3D foam effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, I have a photo of screen foam and a photo that I want to make a 3D effect. Let's copy this image to our project by using Ctrl A and Ctrl C. For Mac user, you can use Command A and Command D instead. Duplicate background layer with Ctrl or Command J. Now using Pen tool to make the selection of the screen foam. Click to this icon to create a layer mask after you have the selection. Paste the girl photo with Ctrl V, reduce the opacity to 50% so we can see the below layer. Zoom out to have a view, press Ctrl T to scale down the size. Just move the image until you're satisfied with the result. Take her legs out of the screen to make it look like 3D effect. Bring the opacity back to 100% when you are done. Copy the mask of layer 1 to layer 2 by holding Alt and just drag the mask to the destination. Decrease the density to 50%. Use Pen tool again. This time we'll select the areas outside the screen like the roof and her legs. Increase density back to 100%. Zoom out a bit. Pick up eraser tool. Foreground color is black. Paint over the selected area to show the selection. There you go. Use brush tool and paint on her legs to smooth the edges. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. 100 pixels, then confirm. Next, we'll match color of girl photo and the background. In layer 2, go to Image, Adjustment, Match Color. In Short, select the girl photo. In Layer, select Background. Make sure to check Neutralize. Increase fade to the point that you see the color is matching. Create a color lookup adjustment layer. In 3D LUT file, select Late Sun file. This will make the photo look warmer. Decrease the opacity to 30% and enjoy your work. If you like this tip, make sure to hit like and subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.